And what's up, and welcome back to my channel. This is Jasmine with Random Acts of Artistry, and today we're going to try to knock out another craft kit. Today's craft kit will be from none other than the Tabitha Brown, and we will be doing a paint-by-numbers tote bag called Because It's My Business, because y'all know that's how Tabitha like to do things there. So, because it's my business, we're going to paint this tote bag, and we are either going to follow instructions with the paint that's given, or we might throw in our own paint colors and see how it turns out. Follow along with me as I paint through Tabitha's Because That's My Business tote bag and see how it's going to get turned out. All right, check back in.
Alright, so first, let's open up the box and see what the contents are. Shout out to Tabitha Brown for putting together this super dope kit. But we're going to take it out and we're going to see we got some paint colors, our regular rainbow colors. We have our tote bag, beautiful design on the front with the numbers to let you know where to go from there. And then our instructions and how the colors it should look at the end of the day. Easy enough. But let's switch it up. See, we like to do stuff a little bit different, and we ain't using that. Alright, so I went through all of the paints that I currently have, and I found some colors that I wanted to select. So I think I'm going to do the top. It's going to be yellow. The words are going to be nice, bold, and black. And then the sides are going to be a little red color. And then I found my little sparkly paints, and I'm going to interchange those and make those colors like that. But I don't want the paint to seep through, so I am going to put some newspaper that I had laying around into the bag so that it won't seep through, and let's get it. We're going to start out first with the yellow color, and it's kind of like that little yellow puff paint that you can buy anywhere. Walmart, no more Joann's, but Walmart, Hobby Lobby, any of those different stores where you can buy paint. And then I'm just following around with the yellow. Let's get started with some of the black paint, and we are ready to paint those letters. It's mine, and we just follow along. I love this craft because it's so soothing, and you can just get in there and be as crisp with your lines as possible. I just love it. Now we're moving on to our red paint, to where we are going to paint the little, I guess we would say, call them like little teardrops, or emphasis areas, to emphasize that, because it's my business. That's right. Now we are moving on to the business of it all, and we are starting off by painting our bees. So this is where I had more of like sparkly type paint, like it has kind of like a glitter finish to it, and I will be doing different colors for each letter, or pretty much I have 4 different colors, and I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, go back to the beginning again, and let's keep going. But I love these paints. You can get all of these paints. I got them from Walmart over time. You just go in there and get you a couple, or you can kind of buy them in a set. But Michael's is also an awesome place to where you can get a lot of really good paints. So let's continue. Now we are at the end of it, but you know, I always gotta do something extra. So I decided to get some more of that puffer paint and outline the business part of it and just give it even more like to it, to just make it stand out even more. But I mean, this step, you don't even have to do anything extra. How it is good enough. But you know, over here we like to do even more. All right. And you want to get in between them little nooks and crannies, them little grooves, to give it even more oomph to it.
And that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed painting the bag and definitely putting my own little spin on it. I feel like I'm going to keep this one in the bag for later to try to make some designs on my own and see how I can kind of make my own little tote bags and do some designs on it. So I'm going to keep that in for another time, because right now we're just working on craft kits. But once we get through all our craft kits, then we're gonna get into our design bag, then we're gonna get into our creative bag, then we're gonna do our own thing. But that doesn't negate the fact that, you know, we can't do our own thing now, right? All right, so what I liked about this craft kit is that it was very easy to do. It had everything you needed in it, and it won't take you a long time to do. So if it's something you have a child, a teenager, or, you know, a group of people who you want to get together and do like a cute little activity together, this perfect. You get to leave with a bag that you can use. Although the minus would be that this bag is small. You can get your arm caught up and hurt yourself. You can't put too many things in this bag, but that's okay. It is an art piece. It is created by Tabitha Brown. That's just my business bag. And I love the saying because we got to start minding our business out here. So again, this is Jasmine with Random Acts of Artistry, where we just completed another test. Let's do it. And I'll see you next time. Peace.